What's up, everybody? 3 Series Garage here. So, despite us looking at that, this is what our attention is going to. And, anyway, now we got it all up. $5 fill bag, Flea Market tool haul. So, here we go. Just gonna dump it all out, I guess. Forgive me as, my stand that would be holding the phone here, it collapsed. It took a dump on me, whatever you want to say. So to make this a lot easier on all of us and those viewing, we're gonna go ahead and get all this laid out here, and we'll check it out in a minute. So stay tuned. Alrighty, we're back, guys. So not a whole lot, but things that looked interesting. I grabbed things that looked like they could be of a future set or of value to somebody. You, me, someone on eBay, whatever. So let's start off here. We got a Task Force 3/8 chrome vanadium wrench. It's in not bad shape. Crescent, looks like a wobble extension. My guess about 3 inches. Task Force. Yeah, little Task Force Chinese ratchet, I guess. It says push. What's that mean? It's gonna blow up. Oh, that's the old style. Ball D10. Okay. Next up is KD USA. Oh, when I grabbed it, I thought it said SK. Whoops. Oh well. It's got the cool little. Yeah, it's attached. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is part of the ratchet. I don't know. Let me know below, guys. Is this of any value? Little 1/4-inch drive thumb ratchet. Oh, that didn't knock over as planned. Really, that really turned there. KD USA. Is it of any value, guys? Next up, Craftsman. I'd say probably 10, 12 inches. This is, I guess, a T1V series? Shit, I don't know. Let me know below, guys. What is this? Definitely a Craftsman USA, but it says T1V 44809. And I'm used to seeing these here with... Oh, no. I thought this one had lines. Maybe not. VJ USA. Quick release. Quick release as well. They, oh yeah, they seem pretty frozen. Definitely sound like they could use some work. That one sounds like it's in a usable shape. Anywho, on where we go. Back here, I guess. I believe this said... Yeah. Sorry, I had to look at it not through the camera. Miller's Falls. We got a number, I believe a number 3. 950-03. I believe, yeah, that's a number 3 Phillips. 9-inch, I'm guessing. Aside from all the dirt and some rust here in the handle, or the shank, got a pretty decent end on it yet, actually. I think that will clean up real nice. Next up is this your little stubby Craftsman USA. Flat tip, pocket screwdriver, whatever you want to say. Followed by Stanley USA. No other markings, just Stanley USA. This one's been busted off, so it's seen better days. Then we got a P1. So we got a #1 Phillips, made in USA, Craftsman. Then we have a Craftsman. Looks like it's a 3716 nut driver. It is a H series. .3/16, so it's just a real wee little guy. Handle's in pretty decent shape. Up in front of it, I did not find any names on this yet, but I did see some markings and some stuff on the handle. So I'm going to clean this up and we'll see. Best guesses in the comments below for now. And right beside it, this one's all covered in oil for some reason. Craftsman USA 5/16. Big stubby flat tip. Oh yeah, I guess this was branded Task Force. It's your 1/4 inch through driver handle. And it looks like it comes with a 13mm socket. Yeah, it's supposed to come off there, but anywho, then these look like old Pittsburgh. They look like the old Pittsburgh, I believe. Could just be some random Lowe's brand, I don't know. Oh, there's something right there in the handle. Oh, chrome vanadium. I mean, I guess that could be Pittsburgh, but usually you say it on the handle. Yeah, it's not a bad set of screwdrivers. They were there, so I grabbed them. Sorry, we'll try and get better here with this self-recording. Not having our tripod stand. This is a really disgusting, but I think it'll clean up nice. 1/4 inch driver. Appears to have no name. And then the last of like the screwdriver stuff is this little stubby crescent bit driver, magnetic bit driver, should I say. These, I believe, you can see it a little better off camera, but I think it says Crescent right across there. Anywho, I grabbed them because they were cool. The tips, as you see, they're, I don't know, really weird. Almost like some early style duckbills. Some really old style, wicked grabbing teeth in the center. And then, you know, your dikes or wires cutter, not stripper, but cutter at the back. I really like the fact that they're like spring loaded. That's cool. But they're just a pretty stout pair of pliers. Then this was just a little brass wire brush. Cheesy and cheap, but threw it in. Back up front, blah, blah. We got Crescent 17mm, 12 point. That's a 3/8 drive. We got a little Crescent 7/16 1/4 drive. This was Craftsman 6mm USA. That's a double E series. Craftsman's over here. This looks like a G series, 11mm 1/4 drive. And then let me find it. 13mm 12 point 3/8 drive. That might be a useful one to clean up and keep. Task Force, I believe that'll go with that little bit driver back there. 1/4" drive. I don't believe this was branded, but looks like it's about a 17mm. Somewhere right in there, I'm gonna say. Maybe a 16, something like that. But looks like you can pop that in your making a wrench. Maybe a ratcheting wrench. Well, let's see here once. See if we got one that'll fit. Hang on. So, actually, it would be a 5/8. Just pop it on your 5/8 socket or a ratchet wrench, and there you go. If I can hold it here with my little offset there. But yeah, you get the idea. Little bolty tent, I guess 5/8 drive by 1/4 drive. I don't know. That's kind of cool. Just grabbed it because it was cool. One of them things you grab because you feel like it's going to be worth something, or you have a set. 1 1/16. Challenger. Manufactured USA. This is a 12-point 1/2" drive. Over here was just, I believe, another 1/2" Craftsman USA 19mm 12-point. Some newer stuff. This was a Master Mechanic 1/4 drive 1/2", and Craftsman G Series 1/2" drive 3" extension. And back here was probably the best 5/8 SK socket, 3/8 drive, non-spark plug. Well, yeah, I believe that's a non-spark plug socket. Usually spark plug sockets look a little different. SK USA 11/32. This one will need some cleaning up. 1/4 drive. And then again with the SK USA 1/4 drive, 1/4". So obviously the snap-on ratchet wasn't in there. That's what you get for $5 at the flea market on a $5 fill-a-bag tool haul. I did get this older styled light bulb for outside the shop, and that, I mean, this is more so considered a tool, but whatever. That's just gonna go up there. Anywho, that's it. Put your comments below, like, and subscribe if you want to see more, y'all. We did just get this little tiny Kennedy box in the other day. There's only some extra large Allen wrenches in it, but we'll review that here in a couple days. Until then, stay tuned for the updated toolbox tours. And peace out, y'all.